Ay. Ay, okay. Ay, hidot abi. Pagkatamot, sticking liwat. Tatluas na da.
So we have a full electrical team today, Uncle Jon.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hiner. Bisintian, Jan.
Si Jan Vicente and Tener, ha? Musta?
Okay.
Extended gang members.
Oh.
Ako na electrical team. And leader, si Uncle Jon.
No other than.
No other Jon. Nonoy Jon. Good morning, legends. It's vlog 101. Vlog 101 on the Miles Roldan channel, and yes, I'm Miles Roldan. Good morning. It's a cloudy day here in the Philippines. A bit of blue sky coming out there, but nonetheless, it's a cloudy day. The temperature is getting in the high 20s, getting over to 30 degrees Celsius. So it's hot and humid today. Welcome to my channel. I'm in Roxas City, Capiz at the moment. If you're new to my channel, you have stumbled upon my content, please check out my playlists. I dabble in various small businesses here in the Philippines, including agriculture, aqua farming, and construction. I am in the process of erecting a small and humble building, a family home for my mother and father to enjoy their golden years. I'm a UK born Filipino that was born and raised in London, UK, and it is now, after the pandemic, I've decided to come over here and try and salvage what I can after the pandemic of our businesses and our land. So exploring new opportunities, basically. For my legends who are constantly showing me support here on my Miles YouTube channel, Miles Roldan YouTube channel, I'm so grateful for you. I can't do this without you. I'm on the way to monetization. If you can keep sharing and recommending my content to loved ones as well as on your social media, that would be awesome. I'll be on my way over to our dream home project in Sapian, Capiz with my father. We've got a stop to make along the way. I think we're going to do some car maintenance because we are putting in the miles. And you're just going to tag along for that ride with me. So I hope you enjoy vlog 101. It's going to be a good one as always. With all that being said, on with the vlog. Oh, it's a bit dark. Right, legends, I've just arrived here in Petron in Roxas City branch. We're gonna change oil, do a bit of car maintenance, and Noah, we are putting in the miles, so it's important that we safety first in everything, legends. So Noah's going up on the lift. Ready for the oil change. So that's the sump valve legend. Boss man is gonna loosen the sump valve and then let out the oil, drain the oil, replace the oil, and then we'll be on our way. Very good. Movement. Itunggid.
Ito mo sir?
Tatlo ka bulan lang.
3 months pa lang ni sir.
Oh, but a lot of biyahe.
Dapat biyahe ka rin eh.
Oh.
Malayo sir?
Oh. So now the oil tank is drained. Boss man's gonna put the sump back in to this hole here and then replace the engine oil with new oil. I would say around 4 or 5 litres. We'll do it and then we'll be back on our way. We're not going to do a full service, we're not going to change the filters, we're just doing an oil change because of the regular journeys that I'm taking to and from the city. Okay, boss has recommended a premium oil over the fully synthetic. We're not a pickup, and we're changing regularly anyway, so premium is the way we're going. Premium oil. Okay, more to come. So the oil is fully drained now. Boss man put the sump valve back on the oil tank and putting all of the coverings back. He'll lower the car now and add the new mantika, that new engine oil, and then we're ready to go, legends. I think we got my oil filter ka, my air filter, oil filter.
Papalitan pa natin sir sa taas sir. Andun sa taas, yung oil filter. Ayun mo. So kailangan.
You'll baba, bring it down. But my instack ka, my oil filter ka.
Yeah, meron sir.
Good. Yeah, so we have all the filters to change. Yeah, man. Calm maintenance. Yeah, so Noah is coming down, ready to put the oil filter in, the new one. Where the new engine oil will go.
Isn't it? When we have the transmission over, they check already the brake fluid. I don't know if the fluid is
Good idea about Daddy. So, I've got the equipment, might as well, boys and girls. Might as well use it. My light guitar.
Vlog kasi raw.
Oh. Some miles rolled down sa YouTube, boss. Ano nalan mo, boss?
Chris sir, Chris.
Chris. Subscribe, ha? You're sa vlog 101. Very innovative si Chris. So Chris is using an old belt to untie the to loosen up the filter or the casing.
Time, sir.
Okay, wala problema.
Ano na mo yung mark? Oo, ara na. Nagay kablag si Rob.
My movement siya. Grabe si Chris. Very good, Chris. Loosen ang cap. Oil filter cap. What? Iban? Hindi curious?
Hindi. Magkatulad na sir ah. Parehas lang.
Oh, curious lang. Okay lang?
Okay lang sir.
Good, good. Grabe ang skill si Chris. Using the belt to untighten. If a mechanic can use initiative like that, they're usually very experienced, very skilled. Perfect. Nice.
Parang build pa rin.
May tightening pa. Very good.
Tungkol ano sir ah.
Oh.
Ano mo trabaho sir sa ano sir? Sa di nga bansa sir?
Sa London, UK ako I'm born. Akong mama papa sa pianon.
Ah, papa mo sa piano,
Oo.
tapos mama mo?
Sa pianon?
Ah, sa piano. Ah, taga sa piano ka mo, pero
Oo.
doon ka na naglaki sa ano?
Sa London,
Ah,
UK.
London, ah.
Oo. And then after pandemic, balik sa Pilipinas.
Ano dito mo trabaho, sir?
May punong akong papa.
Ah, saan, sir?
Sangha sa Sapian. Fish
ay,
pan.
Ay, sa London, sir.
Oh, sa London. Run a resto bar.
Ah, resto bar? Resto bar.
Very nice, Chris. Whew. Ready siya for the brand new oil. Pila ka litro imo estimate?
Ah, 5.5, sir, ah.
0.5. Clean the dipstick so we know the level. Pila ka tuig imo trabaho sa mekaniko?
Ah, matagal na, sir. Mga siguro-
Alat?
Mga 15 years siguro.
15 kinsi tuig? Grabe si Chris. Very good. Very good mechanic.
Nag-leaking siya niya yung valve cover, sir, ah.
May leaking?
Oh, may leaking.
May tulo?
Oh, may leaking, may tulo yung valve cover. Valve cover gasket.
Grabe. Change gasket.
Change gasket dapat.
Hi. Pa, we need to change the gasket maybe in the next service.
Pero sir, wala kami dire, sir. Piyesa, sir. Bibili ka talaga sa ano, sa mga auto supply. Kami ano lang,
Pwede ka install or hindi?
Nag-install lang kami pero wala kami dito piyesa.
Oh, wala ikaw part. Can you see the oil around the oil,
Valve cover.
the gasket?
Kataga sir yung valve cover, sir, ah. Nari pala ako halin dito pakanto na tayo. Ang kaamo na siya.
It's a rectangle. We need to change that gasket, Dad. He can remove it, but they don't sell the gasket. We need to buy that gasket.
Maobra mo din ito, eh?
Obra mo kami dire, sir, pero mabakalan kayo sa gwa, sir, piyesa. Why ito may dire baligya?
Kinahanglan i-pamangkot ko ano sa...
Oo, ipamangkot na rin sa baklan mo kung available sila nga gasket para sa valve cover sa imo ano ganin ng
Nuwa?
Nuwa, no?
Daw duha lang inidiri sa ruwas.
Sa Roxas lang.
Do laka na po sa inyong pakita, ya.
Duha lang ako na panando, eh.
Yung mo nakita man.
I changed that gasket in the Audi TT as well. It's hindi barato siya, hindi mahal, but the labor is a lot. You have to remove the whole, so just to change the gasket around, stop the leaking. And that's it, legends. Oil change done and oil filter done.
Almost 5 liters ang gali.
5 liters.
Hindi gali 5.5.
5.55 liters lang, almost 4 or something. Thank you, Chris, very good work. The air filter, limpyo lang ang air filter.
Okay na sir.
Okay.
Oo, sige sir. Sir, dalawin mo lang bro niya ang isa mo nabili mo para may nasa baka. Wala kang gadugang, wala kang kaan sa niya.
Gadugang ka sa oil. I will bring out kay
Dali
dalawa.
nito top up ka ba?
Yeah.
Gadugang ka ba? Abi ba sa kukulang siya, gadugang ka. Gadugang ka. Wala kang gadugang sa niya.
Gadugang man.
Ay, tapos mo na namin. Ipawin. Para may nasa baka.
Do you have
Kailangan din
So, Boss Chris did an inspection. Wala ATF fluid sa
walang laman.
hydraulic fluid sa power steering. Very good mechanic.
Dagan ko walang laman talaga oh. Okay.
Very good.
Ano sir ha?
Oh.
Wala talaga takot dito sir oh.
Wala.
Okay. Bakit sir?
I've just finished in the Petron mechanic shop, auto repair center in Roxas City branch. Big shout out to Chris the mechanic, very good mechanic, 15 years experience. If you need your engine oil changed or any minor work done to your engine, head over to Roxas City Petron and the repair center there. Awesome service, very good people as well. Humble people, honest people, we like that. Okay, so we're on our way, me and Daddio, we're on our way to Sapian, and we're going to catch up with the gang and see how the steel deck installation is going, and check out a few other suppliers. I have to pay Gap for his sand and his stones, his bato. Okay, on with the vlog, thank you. Right legends, I've just arrived here in Sapian, Capiz at the Dream Home Building Project. I've been informed by the gang that our electrical team, so Nonoy Jon and his gang are up on the steel deck. They're regular viewers of my content, so they know where we are in the project. That's why, another reason why I went with them. So they know that the steel deck is being laid, so they are now laying out the tubes for the electrical plan. I'm gonna try and get up there and give you a bird's eye view of the steel deck that's been installed so far. And yeah, let's catch up with the update. On with the vlog. Wow, so further developments have occurred in my absence. More steel decks have been added. We have a ladder here from the electrical team. Cool. Si Miles.
Ay! Good noon!
Good afternoon, Cole. Sa Block 101 ka. Ikaw ang star. Oh, 101. Electrical layout na. Thank you, Cole. Ay, pwede. Pwede ka dala ako?
Lalay siya rin po.
Okay. Go first.
Yan. Good.
So legends, you'll see these orange pipes or orange tubes. These are what carry in Philippines. They thread the electrical wire through these orange tubes, but at first they will put a lumbre wire through them during the cementing process. And once it's cemented and the buhos is done, when our electrical engineer expert says, Uncle Nonoy Jon says, yeah, it's ready, they will thread the electrical wire through the orange tubes using the alumbre, using the wire that's through there. I mean, I'm gonna go up there and let's see it firsthand.
Ay. Ay, okay ah. Naigot abi. Agbutangamot, sticking liwat. Tatluas na.
So we have a full electrical team today, Uncle Jon.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hiner. Bisintian, Jan.
Si Jan
Tayo.
Vicente and Tener, ha? Musta?
Okay.
Extended gang members.
Oh.
Ako na electrical team and leader si Uncle Jon.
No other than.
No other Jon. Nonoy Jon. It's vlog 101, guys. I hope you're enjoying it. We're doing the electrical layout on the steel deck. I believe they're doing the welding as well. Progress is moving ahead. Hey, kumusta yung build, Cole?
Same man.
Okay, man?
The same man.
Same man? Same stage?
Yeah.
Ah, ikaw mas dasig. Ako hina-hina. We waited, we hul up almost 2 weeks for this steel deck to arrive. Grabe.
Kay Pinal ba? Hindi.
Ha?
Yung kay Pinal ba dapdapan? Hindi.
Hindi. Sa color steel?
Color stick.
Sa Roxas?
Sa BDO. Yung opisina, may BDO.
Oh.
Oh, yun, color still. How much?
The
All. Ang outlet sa piyakang kwarto.
So I believe the welding has started as well, because I can see some spots. You can see some spots here, some welding spots. As you can see, they use the rebar to curve, which if you saw vlog 100, Jobert was curving these or bending these rebar, and they hook onto the beam, to the stirrups, the rings, the rebar rings, and then they weld it. And then after these tube electrical layouts are done, we'll then put the mesh rebar, the cavilla along in a square pattern.
Ha? Hindi. Balik. To. Na, moron biso ato. CR daw kan sedikit. Sige, pagwagit mo. Sedikit. Pagwagit CR daw sa ano.
Si Uncle Jon is a boss.
When it becomes electricity. Power layout and ceiling layout. Ayan, may elbow mo. Oo, lagalang. Ay, Brian sa kanaan ito na. Elbow nga patindog man. Masaw ka na.
Col, may contacts ka sa barato air conditioning units sa wall.
Do exam is one of the best lowest price in Roxas City. Do exam.
The
Then it becomes split type,
Yeah.
tanner,
yeah.
window type.
We went with two, all split type Isaka Tanner, right?
Yeah. Ground floor.
Oh, ground floor sa
Split type, second floor and third floor.
oh, all split types.
Including the individual rooms.
Oh,
According to you,
oh. So you have contact for the mas barato units.
You can go to do exam nga.
Two exam.
Oh, do exam.
Do exam.
In Roxas Avenue, you can.
Is that the one with Bacalda Chubo?
No,
Oh, hindi siya?
no.
Oh.
Do exam is kwan ng what we call this appliance
Appliance
center.
store? Ah, okay, yeah. Okay, do exam. I will
Do exam?
research that.
Ng
Okay.
Roxas Avenue near.
Pwede,
solid.
Pwede ka hulog on that? Like monthly?
Oh,
So down payment,
Yeah.
delivery, and then monthly
installment.
installment.
Yeah.
Pwede, we just work out plan.
oh,
Aha, okay.
pwede.
My Ghana.
Well, the lowest kwan in Roxas City is do exam.
Okay.
The rest, mahal.
Oh.
When it becomes appliances and motorcycle. Dan. Kanya i-close mo doon.
So legends, I'm gonna have to find that appliance store that Uncle Nonoy Jon is talking about, and let's observe the pricing. Just lantaw lang. We're still far off that.
Di ko na kabilya, kung pumirang kabilya.
Legends, if you have any questions, put them in the comment section below about the electrical layout. I will ask our electrical engineer for his answer. Please remember to follow me on all social media, on Facebook, on TikTok, on Instagram, and of course on YouTube on the Miles Golden channel. Okay, so it's interesting stuff. Welding has begun on the steel decks, and the electrical tube layout has also begun. So a lot of progress on a Monday. It's a great start to the week. I hope you're enjoying vlog 101, guys. On with the vlog.
May apa.
Okay, legends, we're back on site. The gang are preparing the cavilla, the rebar, as they begin they continue the installation of the steel decks. We have a welding team up there. I already showed you prior to this scene. Some of the steel decks are already welded on and secure, and then the next is the cross rebars, or the meshing of the rebars, and that just adds further structural integrity before the concrete is poured.
Dong tubig, binabata water pump. Tapos butangan nyo man pressure tank ito sa ibabaw base tank, pressurize ug supply sa sulod balay. Wala sa bukana kay nang lubilin nga bagay. Kaya nang lubilin? Oo, nang obispado. Ano asawa? Kung bahol balay na to.
Una siya,
Ito sa Amerika, may caretaker lang. Malapit anang balay sa Bulangan, Dayaw. Yan sa katubang sa highway ay.
Westlake may kapon.
Ambot lang kung part it Westlake ron ay rong kay unga ninong muding Utson.
Kasi Central?
Si Kwan, si sinong erong kan? Si Katnar, si Kwan. Si
Divide.
hindi karon si Divine mahmud aron nung muding. Si Erla. Anang balay una gid sa gate 8 Westlake pero hindi sa part 8 Westlake. Pribado ang duta. Kay kasunod sa dani ng Lewilin Obispado.
So some more electrical work is being carried out on the beam here. Let's see some of the welding taking place. Climbing. So Tanoy is doing some of the welding of the cross or the rebar to the beam. So that is what it will eventually look like, and that is how, as I mentioned, the steel bar is kept onto the beam.
Baligya mo sa mga 20 dito. Ay, berapa?
Berapa renovate rumah dapat alkohol
Ano to? Bike to. Sa Manila? Oo. Puro na eh, sanay sa Lundon.
ano trabaho na dati wala dito
Sabi nga, lugar na nga eh.
ano balik eh
Malapit ko yung sabi nga, balikin man. Lakbo, mangon po eh. Lakbo subdivision. Dapat ito naman na para tarating nyo. Oo, Ron. Nagatlok pasok ko gabi tagal sa tingin pati sa mga unan alam pa niya natin bumalik din. Lubong pero no sa kwan masulog na si steel dick nung tapos do steel dick lang alay pag kwan mo tamo may marking kamo kami yung panon lagay ron sinsilon na ron ang maray ako di iwag na monto na nasugang lang kung pag-design nito di that's the wiring and then we will do sesame. Pwede ka do spotlight. You know,
Additional lights?
you know spotlight sa sesame lang. We'll cover the steel deck.
With kisame.
With the ceiling. Wala arte, just a flat sesame lang and then small LED light. Press. Balaya na katakwan. I like Uncle John Guijaro. Everything is wala problema.
Legends, that's it for vlog 101 today. I hope you agree was an epic one. We started off with an oil change and some maintenance on the car. Then we shot over to Sapian, to the dream home building site, and we watched the installation or the continued installation of the steel decks as well as the laying out of the electrics for the first floor. What an awesome day, what an awesome Monday. I hope you've enjoyed vlog 101. The next vlog is 102. Until the next one, I'll see you in 102. It's me, myself and I, Miles Roldan. Thank you.